Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. So today's our topic is high voltages power in power line. We can say that when an in electric field, rod and effects of paper, we can simply say that similar to Faraday's cage inside the car, you are safe from the influence of external field. This charge is evenly distributed on the surface of the car and the electric field inside the car is zero. But if we touch the ground while coming out of the car, the charge will be discharged to the ground through our body, hence it may be fatal. Because glass rod is an insulator, so charge developed on it during rubbing glass does not flow to the ground through the hand holding it. However, iron rod is a conductor and charge developed on it during rubbing can easily flow to the ground through the hand handling it. For all this reason, all metal objects used in electrostatics have insulating handles or stands. So a positive charge released in an electric field will move along the direction of electric field from higher potential to the lower potentials. As in series combination, each capacitor is connected side by side, so each capacitor carries equal magnitude of charge due to electrostatic inductions. In a parallel combination of capacitors, two plates of each capacitors are connected to the positive and negative terminals of a battery between the same 2 points. Hence, potential difference between two plates of each capacitor is equal to the potential difference of the battery. So, a glass rod is rubbed with the silk cloth. It is positively charged. This electrified rod attracts pieces of papers. When the pieces of paper touch the rod, they give up some electrons into the glass rod and becomes positively charged. They are then flown away by the rod due to force of repulsion from the positive charge remaining on the rod. Moreover, we can say that simply Moreover, we can simply say that as in series combination, each capacitor is connected side by side or each capacitor carries equal magnitude of charge due to electrostatic inductions. In parallel combination of capacitor, two plates of each capacitor are connected to the positive and negative terminals of a battery between the same 2 points. Hence, potential difference between 2 points of plates of each capacitor is equal to the potential difference of these. The metal charging is used for the purpose of earthing the static charge accumulated on the body of truck during transportation or discharged to the ground through this metal chain. This may avoid any explosion of fire during filling or otherwise. So in Friday's case, inside the KRUs are safe to the influence of external field. The charge is evenly distributed on the surface of the car as well as it's also charged well. So if one column of charge given to the plates of a capacitors, this produces a potential difference of 1 volt between the plates of the capacitor. So a capacitor whose capacitance cannot be changed is called fixed capacitor. Capacitors whose capacitance can be changed is called variable capacitors. So moreover, we can simply say that in it a joule against the electric field is bringing one charge from infinity of a point 1 in the electric field, then the potentials of 1 volt also. So a body is gravitational field. So a body in gravitational field always tends to move from a point of higher potential moving to lower potential energy. Similarly, when a charge is released in electric field, it moves away from point A, say A, to a lower point potential, say B. If potential of A is VSA and that of point B is BVB, the potential energy of charge at these points will be QVA, QVS and QVB respectively. The change in potential energy of the charge when it moves from point A to B will be equal to 10.